Hey guys!
Brains count you.
Yeah, so let's go here. So ngayon, we will teach you the Dazed and Confused dance. Let's start.
Are we really in love or dazed and confused? You got me feeling like dazed and confused. You got me feeling like
Now, we will teach you the steps. So, step 1, you have to hop. 1, 2. Dapat itong knees mo nasa taas. Kick. So, 1, 2, kick, pop. Okay? Hop, hop, kick, pop. Okay? So, pagka-kick mo, tapos itong left leg mo, ang pupunta sa back. So, that's the step 1. So, 5, 6, 7, go. Hop, hop, kick, pop. Gawin natin ang bilis. 5, 6, 7, go. Hop, hop, kick, pop. Okay? Tapos kailangan na ganito yung hands mo. Parang tatakbo ka. Okay? So, step 2, you have to jump. Jump in a pose like wiggle your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Clap. Tapos kailangan mo punta dun in 3 steps na to-crossfit ka. So, like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Clap. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do the whip. Have to hit the whip. Bam! 1. So just bounce. Okay? So from here, here's the step 2. Pose, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Clap. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Boom! Bounce, bounce, bounce. So that's the step 2. So let's now do the step 3. The last step. It's like follow the leader. So what? Anong gawin mo?
Follow the leader.
And just follow the leader. After the follow the leader step, you need to 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak, tak. So you have to wiggle your body 4 times. Tapos yung pangalawang set, kailangan gumagalaw ka na pa-rotate. Tapos you have to close lang. Pop, pop. So this is step 3. 5, 6, 7, go. Pop, 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 pop.
Bum, bum, check.
Hey. So that's the step 3, and you just have to mix it all, and you can do that Dazed and Confused dance. So let's do it.
Music.
Let's mix it.
are we really in love or dazed and confused? You got me feeling like dazed and confused. You got me feeling like
So there you go, guys. That's the Dazed and Confused dance. So guys, till next time, sa susunod na tutorial, see you sa mga gagawin namin sa'yo ulit. So thank you for watching, and give it a share.
Oh,
And make your own
this is computer.
dance breaks. Yeah, let's go. Bye.